Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question, that is a GATE CSE 2015 set 3 question, guys. Okay, yes. So the question is, here also he gave again the C code. So consider the following C code segment. What will be the output printed? Okay. So here there is no recursion or any concept, so it's a bit easy if you ask me, right? Yes. Okay. So what we are trying is, so we are having a character array of 7 elements. Okay. So it is having 7 characters. So but it is filled up to only few characters. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So only till here it is filled. This is a 0th index, a first index, a second index and third index. Okay. So for this S1 is pointed. Okay. So if you want, you can start from 200 also, guys. So 201, 202, 203. Okay. So anything will work. Okay. Yes. So let us take this only 200 only will be better. So what is the S1 value, guys? So S1 equal to 200. Okay, so now let us go through the next statement. So this statement is done. So here we created one more pointer star p. Okay, so one more pointer is there p. So it should point to some other location at random, right? Yes. So let us start. So now p is equals to s1 plus 2. Okay, so what is s1, guys? It is 200. If you add 200 2 to 200, it will become 202. So this value you are storing here. So 202. Got it? Yes. So indirectly this pointer is pointing to this 3, right? Yes. Okay, so now what we are doing is star p equal to 0. So what is a p, guys? It is nothing but a 202. So what is a star p? Star p is nothing but the exact location what we want to calculate, we want to get. So that is the location. So basically star indicates the address location. So basically this is the address, right? So that location will be connected to this. Okay, yes. So now you are assigning for this address the value 0. So what it will do, it will go there and it will update the value to 0. Got it? Yes. So now what you are doing, you are just printing the value of S1. So now what is the value, guys? It is 1204. That's it. So C will be the answer. It's a quite simple question, right? Yes. So it is just based on your string and pointers, guys. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.